Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about what I talked about last night, the stock market crash. I'm going to go over some of the stocks that, that is interesting to me, and just to give you examples to show you where the market is going. But before we begin, of course, every time I start up a video, I'm going to be promoting my stock market mastery course. Today I made a big sell order. Only my members will know what I sold, but I made a big sell order today. To join, it's $40 per month. Unless you don't want to pay per month, you can pay a yearly for $480 a year. So let's begin. So AMD is let's see, this is right in the morning. This is 7:57. Looks like AMD is recovering a little bit. This could be a bear trap, so I'm gonna be careful. If the stock declines back to $24, I may consider picking up some more. So I'm gonna wait this out. If it recovers to if the stock price recovers to over where I'm at a profit, I may consider taking some profit and then hoping for the stock to swing back down. But we'll see what happens. Amazon's down today. Let's see where Amazon is after it refreshes it. Okay, so Amazon's starting to bounce back too. Amazon is one of the big market leaders. They're like second after Apple, so seeing them recover a little bit is showing that the market is slightly recovering today. See what Apple ended up today. Oh, looks like Apple is recovering too, so the market seems to be on a rally mode right now. Definitely not going to be a buy today. If I only like to buy when I see big red days, so right now it looks like it's going to be heading into the green day. Where did Facebook end up? Facebook is up to Facebook's a big one. Facebook is $44.4 billion market cap. So let's see where NIO is. NIO. Looks like NIO is recovering a little bit, but like yesterday, after yesterday's big massive rally from the from the huge investment. Hold on. From the huge investment from the one guy who's taking a 11% stake in this company, rose the stock up to $8.08, and now it's in decline mode. Who knows? It may recover to the stock price, but I'm not planning to buy the stock unless I see a good price on it. Maybe I'll take a little gamble on it, but right now, not really interested in it. There's other stocks out there I can go after, or I can buy, look for. Aurora. Okay, now on to the weed stocks. Aurora Cannabis down 2% today on a negative 27%. Absolutely no news for Aurora today. But it's on a decline. Wayland. This had a bot financing deal. All I have to tell you guys is whenever a company does a bot financing deal, the stock price dropped, and this is exactly what happened. Let's look into the bot deal a little bit more. Let's see if we can. No, okay, hold on. Wait, bot deal. So Wayland announced a $50 million bot deal financing. They'll be selling 30 million units at $1.65 for about $50 million in cash. Each warrant will be exercisable at an exercise price of $2.15 per common shares. So if this warrant gets exercised, if these warrants get exercised at $2.15, the company gets some extra money. I don't know how many warrants they are receiving. 30,350,000 units. Does it tell me how many warrants pursuant to the underwriter feel short term? The company additional I should have read this before I released any videos on it, but it doesn't clearly doesn't tell me how much warrants they are getting. It just tells 30.350 units. This units could be pure warrants or it could be shares, but it doesn't tell me exactly if it's shares or warrants. Warrants is not that bad. Shares are bad because shares would dilute the stock. Warrants are not as bad because they won't dilute the stock, but it doesn't tell me if it's shares or it's warrants that they are raising money. Maybe there's another article on the internet. I'll probably read it over. I'll probably go look for it, but yeah, whenever there's a finance deal, stocks usually drop, and that's what has happened right now. It had a massive drop in the morning. It might even drop even further. So, well, if it drops further, I plan to buy into the stock. I have a price point in mind. Canopy went down today too because the entire weed market is red. Oh, look, it's like it's recovering. Let's see if Aurora is recovering. Aurora is not recovering. The Green Organic Dutchman. The Green Organic Dutchman will be an interesting stock tomorrow. All I have to say for tomorrow, I don't have any shares of the Green Organic Dutchman, but I guess I should do my disclosure. I'm not a financial advisor. This is these videos are for pure entertainment purposes. Do your own research before buying to any of these stocks. Okay, so this is my prediction tomorrow. If the Green Organic Dutchman comes out with a piece of news tomorrow saying we have extended Aurora's bot deal financing for another week or 3 weeks or 1 month, then the stock price will be in the green. If there's no news on that, if there's absolutely no news on that tomorrow, I think this stock is going down even further into the reds, because there's obviously some kind of problem between Aurora and Teagard, or else Teagard would extend the deal. They're not announcing anything. The speculation is I think the stock's going to go into the red. That's just my speculation. I don't know exactly for sure. I'm not a future prophet. I don't know exactly how the stock will react. But you know, if the stock ever hits a certain price point, maybe I'll buy in. But I also have to remind you guys that there's a lock-in period for shareholders. I think I was watching a video on Teagard. There was a lock-in period for Teagard. I think it's November 15th or 25th. I don't know. I have to do more research on it. But I remember seeing a video saying that there's a lock-in period for the people who did the bot financing deal at $1.65. So once that lockdown period expires, all those shareholders in the company are going to just completely sell all the stock, causing the stock to plummet even further. I don't know. We'll see where it leads us, but that lock-in period is definitely dangerous. Something you gotta reconsider. But if Aurora came out and said we're planning to purchase 8% of this company, 8% more of this company, then we could see a nice rally, definitely, and the lock-in period won't be a risk. So I think Teagard's a dangerous stock to buy, honestly, even at the price point of $5.56, because if you look at the market cap, it's still fairly high. It's $1.4 billion. So, I mean, do you think this company deserves $1.4 billion when it makes zero capacity right now, and they won't have any they won't be able to get their sales license until, I guess, October of 2019, because even if they have their cultivation license, Health Canada would take 7 or 8 months before they give Teagard their sales license. So Teagard's going to be waiting a long time before they actually get some product out of the door and start selling to the rec market. So Teagard won't be able to sell their product until a year later, and in a year later there's going to be so much competition in Canada. So Teagard's going to have to rely on international sales and very, very, very good branding. I mean, TGOD does have pretty nice branding, I gotta say, but I would say TGOD stock would be more on the danger side. I don't own any of this stock, so I don't care if the stock price drops to a certain price and I see a very attractive price point. I might take a position in this company, but then again, I also gotta be careful with this because there's a lock-in period, and those shareholders might sell out, causing the stock even plummet even more. We'll see where things lead in the coming months and weeks, but I'm definitely putting TGOD on my caution list. That's just me though. Canopy Rivers in decline mode today. Yeah, decline mode. I may add more to this position just so I can average down, because I think that once Canopy gets their money, this stock may rise, because, you know, every time this company does a bot financing dealing, Canopy will be involved, so they always keep a certain percentage in this company. So this stock will, I don't know, I honestly think once Canopy officially has their $5 billion in cash, this stock will probably rally. It's just my opinion. Anything's possible in the market. Namaste down 8%, down 3.85%. I could buy now, or I could wait, see, be patient, because, you know, it could drop even lower than this. The more this drops, the tastier it is. It's like a piece of steak sizzling on a frying pan. The lower this drops, the better buying opportunity becomes, because I believe in this company in the long term, and I definitely want to add to my position the lower this thing drops. So am I going to add my position now? I don't know. You find out if you remember. But definitely on my radar. Definitely on my radar. Madman. Madman had an interesting deal today. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, yeah. Madman buys medical cannabis company PharmaCann in $682 million stock deal. I guess it was exciting news, and the stock popped up today, and it's kind of in a decline mode. Oh, look, it's going back up. So I guess it was exciting enough news for the stock to rally. I just can't believe that this company's worth $2.51 billion in stock. Like what? Like, they're worth like more than CannTrust and some of the companies in Canada. I mean, they are selling products. They have retail stores. They're expanding all over the United States, especially with this new acquisition. It causes them to expand even further all over the United States. So they're gonna have Madman stores all over the United States. But, you know, this company has a huge amount of liabilities, especially in the debt department. And the asset is not even that much. But who knows, whatever. I don't really care where Madman ends up. I mean, Madman does have good branding. I would not be a buyer of Madman, especially when it's worth $2.51 billion. I'm not even sure if that's correct. Let's see if we can find the... Well, let's see what Yahoo Finance says. Yahoo Finance says that it has a market cap of $409 million when they just use their stock to purchase this company. So, like, I don't know what to believe, really. Madman's stock is kind of funky in my opinion. Who knows, whatever. I'm not gonna deter people if they want to buy this company. If they want to buy it, they can buy it. I honestly don't care at the end of the day. I don't know, who knows, maybe Madman will be like the biggest company in the world one day. You never know, right? You never know these things. The management might be like super smart, and they like know exactly what they're doing, and they just you know, make a multi-giant company and just, you know, dominate the US in a couple years. I mean, yeah, so anything's possible. We'll see what happens. Anyways, this video has probably been way long enough. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs down if you dislike this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.